Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about ChatGPT, one of the most advanced language models developed by OpenAI. This AI technology has the ability to understand and generate human-like text, making it a popular tool for various applications like chatbots, content generation, and more. ChatGPT is a variant of OpenAI's GPT-3 language model, designed specifically for conversational AI. It uses deep learning algorithms and a massive amount of data to understand and generate text. This allows it to generate human-like responses to questions and prompts, making it an excellent tool for chatbots and other conversational AI applications. ChatGPT uses a transformer-based neural network architecture to understand and generate text. It takes in a prompt and generates a response based on the context and the input provided. The model is trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to understand the nuances of human language and generate more accurate responses. One of the most popular applications of ChatGPT is content generation. The model can be trained on specific topics and then used to generate articles, summaries, and even poems. This can save time and effort for content creators, making it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. Another popular application of ChatGPT is in chatbots. The model can be integrated into chatbot systems to provide human-like responses to customer inquiries, improving the overall customer experience. This can be particularly useful for businesses that need to handle a large volume of customer inquiries, as the model can quickly and accurately respond to many questions at once. There are several ways to make money from ChatGPT. One way is by developing chatbot applications that use the model to provide customer support. Another way is by offering content generation services to businesses and individuals, leveraging the model's ability to generate high-quality content quickly. Additionally, you can also develop and sell ChatGPT-powered applications, such as virtual writing assistants, to a wide audience. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile language model that has a wide range of applications. From chatbots to content generation, there are many ways to leverage this technology to make money. So if you're interested in the field of AI or just looking for a new business opportunity, consider exploring the world of ChatGPT. In next video, I will be telling you in details how you can earn money through ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can get the latest update.